In this video, I will show you how to download Instagram Reels video. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see currently on Instagram. Now you might want to download one of your own Reels, or you might want to download a Reel from another creator. Just bear in mind things like copyright and things like that, but basically what you want to do if we come across to the Reels page, and I'm just going to scroll through and find a Reel to download. So let's take for example this one here, and to go ahead and download this Reel, if you look to the right hand side, you're going to see the share button, which is this kind of paper airplane icon. So if you press onto this, and then what you want to do, if you look at the bottom, you've got some different icons. If you just keep scrolling along, you're eventually going to see a download button. So you can see that's just here. All you need to do is press the download button to download this Reel. As you can see, it now says downloading at the bottom, and after a second or two, that's going to download onto your device. As you can see, it now says finish downloading, and what we can now do is go ahead and open up our Photos app, or it might be in your gallery, and you will see down here at the bottom, we've got the Reel that has been downloaded. So that's how to download Instagram Reels video. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.